Well, I have some good news. Today is the day that we work for all year. Well, I'm exaggerating a little, but harvest is the exciting time of year. We get to see the ground that was worked up and treated and planted and that we took care of, that the crops grew on, and then we babied them till they dried. And now is the moment when we harvest. So we get those bunch of seeds from that one seed that we planted. It is a cool time. So here we go. It's an exciting day on the farm besides harvest. There's a movie making in progress. Getting the header finished up so we can cut some rice.
Hey Justin, that worked great. You sealed it off.
We'll have this up and running
In 15 minutes.
Going up. Are you ready? Movie's filming over here, and harvest is beginning. Lord willing, here we go. Take your moisture sample. We didn't know it at the time, but apparently something was wrong with the auger, even after all the repairs that we've had done to the combine preseason. And because of that, the belt was burning and splitting. Yeah. As quick as we start, the belt's turned.